Welcome to the sixth lesson. This is about team performance. And in this lesson, we will be talking about agile team rules, different leadership styles, team development model, especially Tuckman team development model, various motivations theory, team participation techniques, different brainstorming techniques, osmotic communication, and two-way communication. And in the end, we will also be talking about conflicts resolution. So let's talk about these concepts in detail. First, agile team rules. In agile, there are three prominent roles: product owner, scrum master, and development team. Product owner is responsible for prioritization of product backlog and ensure shared understanding. I hope you're aware of concept of product backlog. Product backlog is the collection of product feature to be developed, or it's a prioritized list of user stories. A user story is a product feature according to customers or users' perspective. So let's suppose in a product, if there are 16 features to develop, then a prioritized list of these features is called product backlog. So let's suppose this is product backlog. So backlog refinement, backlog grooming, backlog management, backlog prioritization is the key responsibility of the product owner. Next is Scrum Master. Scrum Master is a servant leader and a coach who helps team to perform the work. And then we have development team. Development team concentrate on completing tasks, activities, and work packages. Let's talk about these roles in more detail. First is product owner. Product owner defines the vision, that what we are building and why we are building. What's the motivation behind developing a particular product? As discussed earlier, product backlog management is one of the key responsibilities of the product owner. Product owner works with the customer and sponsor to prioritize backlog items and to include backlog items, to delete user stories, to manage customers' requirements. Prioritizing needs. So when you have user stories, you need to prioritize those user stories. So prioritization is done by product owner, and team and scrum master assist product owner in those prioritization exercises. Product align with customers' priority. Whenever customer priorities change, product owner aligns the product backlog with customers' priorities, acting as a primary point of contact between customers and product development team. Product owner is responsible for evaluating product progress at each iterations. So at the end of each iteration review meeting is conducted. And in the iteration review meeting, team presents the work which is done in that iteration, and that work is reviewed by the product owner and stakeholders. So the work is reviewed and evaluated at the end of each iteration. So these are the core responsibilities of product owner. Second important role is of Scrum Master. Scrum Master coaches team members, assist product owner in backlog prioritization, removes impediments, and teaches Scrum at organization level. So Scrum Master is a servant leader who leads from the front, who helps the team plan their work, who removes bottlenecks, and impediments, and who assists team members whenever there is any technical glitch or problem or where team needs help. So this is the responsibility of the Scrum Master. Third role of the development team, sprint planning, estimation of user stories, sprint execution, perform sprint execution, coding or programming, whatever is required, inspection and adaptation, and presentation of work to product owner during sprint or iteration review meetings. So the work is performed by the development team, and most of Agile projects, these development teams are self-organized. Self-organized teams means they have autonomy and freedom to plan what they will be doing. They decide about their work. They define roles and responsibilities of team members. They estimate user stories. They develop product. They perform tests and present work to customers and product owner during review meetings. So that's the role of product development team. So in Agile, primarily there are three roles: product owner, which is primarily responsible for engaging with the stakeholders and backlog management, including prioritization efforts. Scrum Master is a kind of technical coach who leads the team from the front, helps the team in planning and removes bottlenecks, and helps the team members to implement Scrum across the organization. On the other hand, team members perform the work. They perform sprint planning. They estimate the work. They define acceptance criteria with the help of product owner. They perform coding and programming. They inspect and adapt, and they present work to product owner and complete the work.